boss. Ay, papaalam po sana ako, boss. Hindi po sana ako makakatid ng site. Babawi po sana ako sa asawa ko. Yes, boss. Sige, salamat po, sir. Han? Han, nandito na ako. Han? Han? Saan ka galing?
Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Saan ka galing?
Nagpasama lang ako sa kaibigan ko para bumili ng regalo para kay tatay. Bakit nga pala wala yung kotse mo sa labas?
Tinago ko. Gusto kong ulihin ko kasama mo si Papa.
Kung ano ba yan? Alam mo, sumusobra ka na.
Sumusobra? Ay, ko na magpapisto.
Alam mo, bahala ka kung ano gusto mong isipin. Basta ako, malinis yung konsensya ko.
Malinis? Bakit tumatakas ka? Ha? Bakit lumalayas ka? Umaalis ka na walang paalam sa akin. Aminin mo, nagkita kayo ni Paulo, no?
Ano ba ito? Nakipagkita lang ako sa mga kaibigan ko.
Aminin mo na, nagkita kayo ni Paulo. Ginagago niyo ako, niiputan niyo ako sa ulo.
Yan ba yung gusto mong marinig? Masaya ka na? Aalis na ako dito. Punong-puno na ako sa'yo.
Ano ka ba? Aalis ka? Iiwan mo na ako gaya nila.
Oo, maghiwalay na tayo.
Anong gusto mo? Sasama ka sa gagong Paulo na yon? Iiwan mo ako para lang dun?
Alam mo, wala naman akong ginawang masama sa'yo eh. Alam mo kung bakit ka iniiwan ng taong mahal mo? Dahil dyan sa kaparaningan mo. Dahil napakakitid ng utak mo.
Hindi ka aalis. Hindi ka pwedeng umalis.
Bitawan mo ako, nagkakaksan ako. Sorry, Han. Huwag ka nang magalit. Han, tama na.
Di ba ayaw mo na sa akin? Iiwan mo na ako.
Hindi.
Hindi ako papayag na kinig ka ng iba.
Ano? Mananagot sila sa ginawa niya sa'yo. Makakamit natin ang mustisya. Mananagot sila.
All rise. Criminal case number 2013-00154. People of the Philippines versus Etong Ang.
You, Etong Ang, is heavily accused of parricide for the murder of your legal wife. Etong Ang, how do you plead? I have informed my client about accusation against him, Your Honor. After explaining everything, he pleading not guilty.
Pinagtibay pa rin ng Korte Suprema ang desisyon na mababang hukuman. Ayon sa Korte Suprema, matibay lahat ang nakalap na ebidensya at napatunayan ng walang halong dalawang pag-iisip sa kasong parricide na may kaparusahang kamatayan si Etong Ang. Republic Act Number 7659, an act to impose the death penalty on certain heinous crimes, amending for that purpose the revised penal laws as amended, other special penal laws, and for other purposes. What are heinous crimes? There is no explicit definition of what heinous crimes are, only an enumeration of crimes that due to their manifest wickedness, viciousness, atrocity, and perversity merited the death penalty until its abolition in 2006. Republic Act 7659, the law signed in 1993 in which imposed the death penalty, says that heinous crimes include treason, piracy in general, and mutiny on the high seas in the Philippine waters, qualified piracy, qualified bribery, parricide, murder, infanticide, kidnapping and serious illegal detention, robbery with violence against or intimidation of persons, destructive arson, rape, importation, distribution, manufacturing, and possession of illegal drugs. Individuals convicted of all above-mentioned crimes were sentenced to death. This, however, was eventually reduced to reclusion perpetua after the abolition of the death penalty in 2006 under then President Gloria Arroyo through Republic Act 9436. Reclusion perpetua entails imprisonment of at least 20 years and a day up to maximum of 40 years, after which a prisoner can be eligible for parole unless otherwise specified.
Article 47. In what cases the death penalty shall not be imposed, automatically review of the death penalty cases. The death penalty shall be imposed in all cases in which it must be imposed under existing laws, except when the guilty person is below 18 years of age at the time of the commission of the crime.
Section 24, Article 81 of the same code, as amended, is hereby amended to read as follows. Article 81. When and how the death penalty is to be executed. The death sentence shall be executed with preference to any other and shall consist in putting the person under sentence to death by electrocution. The death sentence shall be executed under the authority of the Director of Prisons, endeavoring so far as possible to mitigate the suffering of the person under the sentence during electrocution as well as during the proceedings prior to the execution. The death sentence shall be carried out not later than 1 year after the judgment has become final.
Section 25, Article 83 of the same code is hereby amended to read as follows. Article 83. Suspension of the execution of the death sentence. The death sentence shall not be inflicted upon a woman while she is pregnant or within 1 year after delivery, nor upon any person over 70 years of age. In this last case, the death sentence shall be commuted to the penalty of reclusion perpetua with the accessory penalties provided in Article 40. In all cases where the death sentence has become final, the records of the case shall be forwarded immediately by the Supreme Court to the Office of the President for possible exercise of the pardoning power.
And 3, 2, 1, action.
This is F on
Saan ka galing?